Hi, this is Doug.
And I'm Cindy.
Welcome to ELP Brief. This is a program where we answer your caregiver questions, and today the question is, what legal documents do I need before surgery? And this may be you, this may be a parent that's going into surgery right away, declining, but you're just concerned. You may think, well, I think mom has a will, but that's about all she's got. So what else might she need?
Okay, so there are actually several, but the primary one that we're going to talk about today is going to be healthcare power of attorney. And I think we need to start with why. If you're going to have surgery, like your mom did, why did she need a healthcare power of attorney?
Well, to start with, do you have the opportunity to do it? My mom had a stroke, just boom, and had she not had these things in place, you don't get do-overs. You don't get, there would have been no more opportunity to do that. So thank goodness she had a healthcare power of attorney in place. But if you're still in good shape and you've got surgery scheduled next week, and we have this actually come up a lot, that people come in, they got surgery scheduled next week, what do I need? Then you may need a healthcare power of attorney. And a healthcare power of attorney is just a document where you say who you want to make healthcare decisions for you if you can't make them yourself.
You want someone else to have the legal authority to make these decisions for you if you can't, because the fallback position is the physicians are going to make the decisions. And it was my personal experience with my mom that I didn't want them, and she didn't want them making those decisions. She knew what she wanted. She told me what she wanted, and I was able to carry out her wishes through the healthcare power of attorney.
And a healthcare power of attorney sometimes is confused with like a private living will, which is like typically the pull a plug document. But you served as healthcare power of attorney for your mom for like the last 2 years of her life. She was just declining.
Right.
And so every week, you'd make, sometimes several times a week, you'd make decisions, using that. Sometimes it's what type of therapy does she need?
Right, making sure she got the therapies that she needed.
Maybe prescriptions, maybe which doctor she saw.
Right, emergency rooms, talking to people there, because that event is a very confusing event for an elderly person. And it's not that she didn't have the cognitive ability to make those decisions and during the emergency room trips, but she was so flustered and frustrated, and she just didn't want to be there, and she wouldn't talk to them. And so and I had to have the written authority to do that. So
this has got nothing to do with a pull a plug decision. This is who's going to make healthcare decisions for a person, for you maybe, if you can't make them yourself. A lot of times we see people, well, I want this kid making property or financial decisions, and I want this one making healthcare decisions. It's not always the same one. But the point is, it's who you want. Who do you think would do the best job making a healthcare decision for you the way you would want it if you couldn't make that decision yourself? And that's the person you need named in your healthcare power of attorney. So that's one thing. Healthcare power of attorney, get it in place if you don't have it. Thanks for watching today.
Thank you for being a caregiver for your loved one. You're making a huge difference in their life.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.